Okay. Hold this glass straight. Extend your arm straight. Keep it here. One more glass you bring, Amma. Okay. Keep holding. You also. Come. Okay. While they are holding it, no mood putting it down. Okay. Keep holding. Rest of the water I will drink. What is there today? World Mental Health Day. Correct? So what are the other aspects of health? Anybody knows? Okay, one is mental health. Okay. Before that, what should be there? Very nice. Give a big round of applause for all of you. So, we are checking. These are strong boys and strong girls, no? So, what are we going to do? We are checking there. Right now, what are we checking? Pakka, you tell me, is it physical health I am checking or mental health? Who gave answer both? Give a big round of applause for them. Very nice. So, there is always connection between body and mind. So here it is not about the strength in their shoulder or in their biceps or in their forearms. Where is the strength? Who is that mind fellow? His mind is very strong. Okay, very nice. So another aspect of health is what? What is the another aspect of health? Physical is over, mental is over. Then we come to school. No, school is what? School is a physical place, mental place. No, it's a social place. What it is? Social place. From the society, all of us come together and stay here for 6-7 hours. Correct? So, school is a place for what? Social health. Another thing which we need to develop along with physical, mental and social is what? Our spiritual health. Okay? Is it easy or difficult? As the time is passing by, your water is falling down. Correct? I forgot to tell that water should not fall down. Okay? So thank you very much. Thank you. You can drink it if you are thirsty. Okay? So after some time what happened? The hand started shaking. Okay? What is controlling the hand movement? Brain. Okay? So what is very nice? Nobody told mind. Correct? So what is the difference between brain and the mind? Very simple. All of you have seen mobiles, no? Correct? So mobile has hardware. What it has? Hardware. And inside the mobile, inside the hardware, what do we upload? Software. So brain is the hardware. I am the doctor of hardware. Okay? I do surgeries on brain and spinal cord. And Dr. Soumya Shri, she is my wife. She is the doctor of software. The doctor of mind. Okay, doctor of mind. I am the doctor of brain. She is the doctor of mind. But just imagine, no? If in mobile the RAM is less, what will happen to the mobile? Fast. Less memory. What will happen? Will it run okay or will it run jammed? It will jam. So there is importance of what? Hardware. Correct? To improve the function of the mind, what we have to improve? We have to improve the brain. How to improve the brain? Very simple ways, you tell me. How do we improve the brain? Oh, very nice. By yoga. Okay. Apart from that?
By eating lady finger.
By eating lady's finger. Which lady's finger you want to eat?
Lady finger means
Huh?
vegetable it will be, no sir.
Oh, I knew, Baba. I was just making joke. Very nice. Tell. How it happens with lady's finger?
Our mind will get sharp, sir, and
Is it?
we will get the education more, sir.
Very nice. Give a big round of applause for him. So what he is telling, listen carefully, what he is trying to tell that we have to eat healthy food. Okay, so give me example. He gave a very beautiful example of lady's finger. Okay, now give me another example of healthy food. Fast. Carrot. Then beetroot. Wow. Next. Maggie. Biscuit. Ice cream. Coca-Cola. Fanta. No. Spinach. Very nice. Okay. So whatever I told, junk food. Okay. I understood, you know, but you have to practically follow it. Okay. Second important thing for brain is to develop rest. So you should have a nice sleep. Okay. 1/3 of our life goes in sleeping. Okay. Third important thing is exercise. Most of you are sitting like this. Try to sit like, see, everybody's height increased by 5 centimeters. Correct? So keeping the spine straight is very, very important. Okay? Last but not the least is you should not upload heavy software in your brain. Correct? Yes or no? If we upload heavy software in the mobile, what will happen? It will get jammed. If we upload dangerous software, then what will happen? The mobile will get hacked. Very nice. So what are the things in the mind which will lead to the brain to become damaged? Overthinking, watching too much of TV, watching too much of mobile, too much of game time, and too much of competition. We are not competing with each other. Okay? We are all collaborating with each other. Then automatically your brain will not get pressurized. 4 things I will revise. Food. Tell me once, repeat after me. Food. Sleep. Exercise. Last one. Better emotional health. What do you want? Better emotional health. So for better emotional health, I give the mic to Dr. Soumyashri.
So there was a farmer. Every day, if he has to put water to his farm, he has to carry 2 buckets of water. So to get the water, he used to carry 2 buckets, one in left hand and one in right hand. And every day he will walk till the lake. He will pick up the buckets, put in the lake, fill it with water, and he will start walking back to his farm. So daily he will go up, take 2 buckets, fill water, come back and put that water to his farm. So what happened was, one bucket had 2 small holes in it. What happens if bucket has holes?
Water will go down.
Water will go down. So every day that bucket with holes, no, it used to feel, oh, you see that other bucket is there. That bucket is so beautiful. It does not have any holes. It can hold more water than me. So I am not good. I am not a nice bucket. So it used to feel very sad that one bucket is nice, one bucket is not nice. Oh, I am so not nice. That bucket is so good. That bucket is full of water, like that. 1 month happened, 2 months happened. Daily farmer used to fill water, come back, pour. Fill water, come back and pour. One day that bucket started crying loudly. Oh, I have 2 holes, I'm useless bucket, I don't look good. It started crying, oh, not good, like that. Then one tree was next to their house, one big tree was there. The tree was very, very knowledgeable. Who is knowledgeable in our family? In our family? Father, mother, grandparents, correct? They know more than us, yes or no? Why? Because they have become old. They have lot of experience. Correct? So this bucket started crying. So that tree said, bucket, why are you crying? See, I have holes. I can't water the plants properly. I don't look good. I have 2 holes. So it is crying loudly. So the tree said, instead of thinking you have 2 holes, have you opened your eyes and seen what has happened to the road? Every day from lake to the garden he will bring water. No. Have you seen that road? And you know what had happened on the road? because that bucket had holes, and throughout the way small drops of water every day was falling from the bucket. One side of the road was full of green grass and beautiful flowers, but the other side of the road, which has good bucket, which did not drop even one single drop of water, that bucket side, nothing is there on the road. It is completely dry. Because no water fell, so no trees have grown, no flowers have grown, no grass has grown. So, every time, Dr. Mayur sir just said, we should not think others as our competition. Some of us are tall, some of us are short, some of us are whitish, some of us are darkish, some of us are thin, some of us are fat, some of us are tall, some of us are strong, whatever it is that we have been blessed with. If we have to keep our mental health strong, the only person you have to look at is yourself. You should not compare yourself with others. So that bucket thought it had holes in it, but actually it gave so many beautiful flowers to the road. Correct? So we all have our own strengths. We all are blessed with many good things. But instead of thinking, oh see, that guy is getting good marks, oh this girl is more beautiful, oh this girl is more close to the teacher, oh this boy is more strong, he is good in sports, then our mental health will not be good. So every day when you wake up, what you have to do, stand in front of the mirror and say, compared to yesterday, today, am I slightly better than yesterday? Did I make myself better than yesterday? So yesterday I watched mobile till 10 o'clock, I did Galata, I shouted at my mother and father. But today, can I sleep at 9 o'clock and not do Galata for mobile? Is that possible? So with that, what will happen? We will become one day at a time better and better and better. So all of us should remember that anytime we have any problem, if we have to be mentally fit, we should ask for help. Any elder person will be able to help you. Okay? So, again I will summarize what Mayur sir said. 4 things are very important for us. Food, sleep, exercise, and strong mind, emotional health. Strong mind. Okay? So, happy World Mental Health Day.
Good physical health, good mental health, good social health, and then finally great spiritual health. Okay? With good physical and mental health only we can achieve good social and spiritual health. So thank you very much everyone. Have a great World Mental Health Day.